Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how to extract inner cavity of the body. Inner cavity, that means the core of the body. So for this, in this lecture, we are going to learn how to extract inner core by using region of faces. So let's go. Go to the extract geometry command. In extract geometry, select a region of faces. In settings, check in associative extract without holes if you want, or check out this and hide original. After by clicking hide original, after clicking OK, hide this body automatically. Okay, so in seed faces, select inside any face, single face, and in boundary faces, select boundary of this inside faces. Okay, so this is our bounded region. So I want all the inner body coming from these two faces. So these two faces is our bounded region. Click OK. After clicking OK, you got this body. So let's convert first this body into solid because this body is in surface. Go to the surface, select unsided surface. In trim option, select the circular surface, click apply, and fill all these four outlets. Okay, now go to the skew, select target body, and in tool body, select all these unsided surface. Press Ctrl H, take a section, check the body is converted into solid or not. Okay, so body is in solid. So for our sake of view perspective, change the color of the core inside body and changing to yellow color. Now show original. Now you could understand the core is coming from exact the inside of this body. Just take a cross section to check. That's when the body is exact you want. Okay, thank you.